Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to OBS Studio. We'll start by identifying the essential hardware you'll need for a smooth setup. Then, we'll walk through the physical connections between your console, capture card, and computer. Finally, I'll guide you through configuring OBS Studio to ensure your gameplay looks and sounds fantastic for your audience. Let's get started with the basics. To begin, you'll need a high-quality capture card, ideally one supporting HDMI 2.0 or higher, to handle the PlayStation 5's output. Make sure your computer has sufficient processing power and memory to run OBS Studio efficiently. You'll also need at least 2 high-speed HDMI cables and a USB 3.0 cable to connect your capture card to your computer. These components are fundamental for a successful setup. First, navigate to your PlayStation 5 system settings and disable HDCP. This is crucial for capturing gameplay. Next, connect one HDMI cable from your PlayStation 5 to the HDMI in port on your capture card. Then, use a second HDMI cable to connect the HDMI out port of your capture card to your television or monitor. Finally, plug your capture card into an available USB 3.0 port on your computer. Now, open OBS Studio and add a new video capture device source. Select your capture card from the list and configure its properties to match your PlayStation 5's resolution and frame rate, typically 1920 by 1080 at 60 frames per second. Ensure your audio input is correctly set up for both game sound and your microphone. Adjust the audio monitoring to hear your game audio clearly while streaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.